if x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, find value of x plus 1 by x. Now the value of 1 by x is equal to 1 upon substitute the value of x, 3 plus 2 root 2. Rationalize the denominator. You change the sign of denominator and multiply by both numerator and denominator. Then 1 by x is equal to 1 into change the sign of denominator. Therefore 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 minus 2 root 2. There is no change of value. You can cut 3 minus root 2 or 3 minus root 2, numerator and denominator. Now multiply by 1, 1 3 is 3, minus 1 multiply by minus 2 root 2 to 2 root 2. Now use the formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. This denominator in form of a plus b, a minus b. A 3, b 2 root 2. So 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 minus 2 root 2. Now this equal to a square minus b square. So a, the value of a is equal to 3. 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Now 1 by x is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 3 is 9 minus 2 root 2. You can multiply 2 root 2 and 2 root 2. So 2 2 is 4 into root 2 into root 2. Root 4. The root of the root 4 is 2. So this equal to 4 2 is 8. Now 1 by x is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 1. Then you find the value of x plus 1 by x. Therefore x plus 1 by x is equal to the value of x. X is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus the value of 1 by x is equal to 3 plus 3 minus 2 root 2. So 2 plus root 2 and minus 2 root 2. To subtract this is cancelled. So therefore x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So this is your answer. 6 is your answer. Now question number 2. If question number 3. Question number 2. You solve self. X is equal to 7 minus 4 root 2. Find the value of x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. Question number 3. If root 5 plus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3, this equal to a plus b root 15. Therefore root 5 plus root 3, root 5 minus root 3. So rationalize the denominator in the same process. In the question number first, change the sign of denominator and multiply both numerator and denominator. So therefore root 5 plus root 3, change the sign of denominator. So root 5 plus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3. This is your question. And root 5 plus root 3. There is no change of value. This root 5 plus root 3, root 5 minus 3, root 5 minus root 3 is also this value. This equal to a plus b root 15. So multiply by root 5 into root 5. Root 25, the root of the 25 is 5. Plus into plus, plus. Root 5 into root 3, this equal to root 15. Plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 15. Or root 3 into root 3. So plus into plus is equal to plus. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. The root of the root 9 is 3 upon. This is a minus b, a plus b. To use the formula in same process, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So the value of a is equal to root 5 ka square minus root 3 square. This equal to a plus b root 15. Now plus 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus root 15 in plus root 15. You cannot add root 15 in plus root 15. Root 15 1 root 15 होता है and 1 root 15. So you add 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 or root 15. For example, x plus x is equal to 2x. 1x plus 1x, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 upon 5 minus root 3 का square 3. This equal to a plus b root 15. This equal to 8 plus 2 root 15 upon 5 minus 3, 2. This equal to a plus b root 15. You convert also in this form. Eight upon 2 plus 2 root 15 upon 2. This equal to a plus b root 15. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So this implies 4 plus root 15 is equal to a plus b root 15. Comparing both sides. In the place of, you see here 4 plus root 15 or a plus b root 3. So in place of a is equal to 4 and b root 15 is equal to root 15. So b is equal to root 15 upon root 15. This is cancel 1. So b is equal to 1. Your answer a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 1. In the same process,